Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do a little big, I should say 2 weeks clean shot down to Toodyay and Lancelin. Might do a bit of a tour around Perth as well, have a look at a few things. Got the Avon descent on. I'm going to have a look at the Avon descent parade. Going to see the fam. Going to see the fam in Lancelin. Go and check out the beach. If you're watching this video, give the like. Just give the good like, please. Always appreciate the likes. No, I'm doing a good job. Anyway, I'll stop talking. Let's get on with the video. Don't forget to subscribe as well if you're not already subscribed. Cheers. See you out there. Everything's just so waterlogged. They had plenty of rain down here, as you can tell. Looking beautiful. Nice ice cream. Hey, nice ice cream. Yeah. Yeah.
You can't pat these ones, they don't let me pat them either. You should. Yeah, this is their dinner. They've been good. It is good. It's yummy. They think it's yummy. That one's a bit shy. Ready, come here. Oh. I got a hit. I know her. We'll shove her away and hi girls. Ready? Come on. No. It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, she's saying, she's telling them, look,
Look.
food.
What's that?
Look, there's food. They'll take turns. They'll do one at a time. Kind of.
No, back us. Okay. Can you see if she comes closer? Can you see if she comes closer? Ready? Come on. Be brave, sweetheart. You're normally the braver of the two.
There's a chook. She said there's this
You try and pat her?
hassling me at the moment.
You try and pat her head?
Good luck on that one. She's not sure. I don't know about you either. She's like, what are you doing? Do you mind?
You got Yucky? That's okay. That's his dinner. You got a pat? No?
Yeah, pat.
He's not so sad.
You're a Papa. You're a Baba.
Pat here where he's not looking. That's okay.
Look.
You've been so brave. It's okay.
Hey, let's swap sides. Swap.
Bit of an update on the Avon River for you. Check that out. Standing down there yesterday, they'll be knee deep right now. And walking down here yesterday as well, I was standing down right next to that tree right there. So she jumped. Well, we're moving on to Lancelin now. I guess to see up there. Now, I don't think the weather's going to be any different up there. Oh, look at that. Stay another couple of days, she'll jump a lot higher.